Three students S1, S2 and S3 are given a problem to solve. Consider the following events U, V, W, T such that probability of U is 1 by 2, probability of V is 1 by 10 and probability of W is 1 by 12. Then what is the probability of T only we should find. Okay. Here S1, S2, S3 are given a problem to solve, right? That means what? The three students solving the problem independently, right? So let us consider here first of all probability of S1. That means what? The probability for a problem is solved by student 1. Let us take it as A. Similarly, probability of S2 is B, probability of S3 is, let's take it as C. Okay, these events S1, S2, S3 are independent events. How can you say? Because the problem is given to three students and then they are solving independently, right? So the solving a problem by student is independent events here. Next, given U is what here? Probability of U is 1 by 2, right? And U's event is what? At least one of S1, S2, S3 can solve the problem. That means set U means what here? Either S1 can solve the problem or S2 can solve the problem or S3 can solve the problem, right? And its probability only they give here what now? 1 by 2. So whenever probability of U is 1 by 2, its complement event probability also what now? 1 by 2 only. So probability of U bar means what actually? Probability of S1 union S2 union S3 bar only. Okay, complement. Now probability of U bar means what? 1 minus probability of U. That means 1 minus 1 by 2. Probability of S1 complement intersection S2 complement intersection S3 complement, we can get it. Now the events are independent events. Its complements also independent events only. That means what now? 1 by 2 is equal to probability of S1 bar into probability of S2 bar into probability of S3 bar we will get. That means 1 minus probability of S1, that means 1 by A, 1 minus A into 1 minus B into 1 minus C is equal to 1 by 2. We got it. Let's take it as equation 1. Next, we observe. V means what? S1 can solve the problem given that S2 nor S3 can solve the problem. That means what? Probability of V is equal to, here what? Probability of S1 can solve the problem whenever S2 not solving and S3 also not solving, right? Now we can see here. Here the events are independent events only, no? S1, S2, S3 are independent means S1, S2 bar, S3 bar also independent events only. Then directly we will get here probability of S1 itself. That means what here? P of S1 value A, and that is given what? P of V. P of V means what now? 1 by 10. So we found it here A value is 1 by 10. Next, probability of W they gave. See, W means what here? W means S2 can solve the problem and S3 cannot solve the problem, right? So probability of S2 solve the problem and S3 cannot solve the problem. So S3 bar only, now we will get it. S3 cannot solve the problem, right? Now we can see here. These two events are also independent only. So probability of S2 means what here? B. And probability of S3 bar means what? 1 minus C only, right? And this is the value given what? Probability of W 1 by 12. It is one of the equation. Okay, now A value 1 by 10. If you substitute equation 1, what happen? You see 1 implies, so 1 by 2 is equal to 1 minus A means 1 minus 1 by 10, 9 by 10 you will get 1 minus B into 1 minus C. 2 1s are 2 5s are possible, no? From this what? 1 minus B into 1 minus C value we will get it as 5 by 9. Let's take it as equation 3. Okay, now can see here, if you do suppose 2 by 3, what happened now? B into 1 minus C by 1 minus B into 1 minus C is equal to 1 by 12 by 5 by 9 means what? Into 9 by 5 we can write. Okay, now 1 minus C cancel, and here 3 3s are possible, 3 4s are also possible, right? Now 4 5s are 20, cross multiply means 20B is equal to 3 into 1 minus B means 3 minus 3B we will get. From this 23B is equal to 3, then if we simplify B value is what now? 3 by 23 we will get it. Okay, it is the value of B. Next, when you know A value, B value, and here from the second equation we have the relation between B and C, then we will get the value of C also here. Now see, from 2 implies B value 3 by 23 into 1 minus C is equal to 1 by 12. Okay, from this 1 minus C is equal to 1 by 12 into 23 by 3. Then if we simplify this we will get the value of C. So C is equal to 1 minus 23 by 12 3s are 36. We'll get it. Okay, now let's simplify this. Then C value is what? C 36 minus 23. So from this C is equal to 36 minus 23 means what we will get, C value 13 by 36 we will get it. Okay, this is the value of C. Fine. What we should do actually here, question observe, probability of T only now we should find, and probability of T means what here, S3 can solve the problem. S3 can solve the problem means what here, C value only. So we found it here finally, C value. Answer is what now, 13 by 36. So our option is 13 by 36, option A.